Before sharing a PDF, have you ever checked what hidden information it contains? Many PDFs store details like author name, software used, creation date, or other hidden data that you may not want to share. In this video, I'll show you how to remove personal information from a PDF easily. Many online tools claim to clean PDFs, but they require uploading your document to the internet. For better privacy and safety, we'll use an offline tool called SysWeak PDF Editor. You can download SysWeak PDF Editor from the link given in the description. Let us begin. First, open your PDF file in SysWeak PDF Editor. To check the metadata, go to File and click on Document Properties. Here, you can see details like author name, creation date, software information, and other hidden data stored in the PDF. Now, let us remove this information. Go to the Secure tab. Here, click on Remove Metadata. A confirmation box will appear. Click Yes to continue. And that is it. All hidden metadata like author details, creation date, software info, and hidden tags are removed automatically. Let us check it again. As you can see, the metadata has been successfully removed from the PDF. If you want to edit and update the metadata instead of removing it, go back to the document properties, click on Edit Metadata, enter the new details you want. Once done, click Submit. Let us check it again. Yes, the metadata has been updated successfully. This feature is very useful for students submitting assignments and professionals sharing official documents where privacy and accuracy matter. And since everything works offline, your data remains private and secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your questions below, and share this video with others who care about PDF privacy.